So I have the Weiman, this is heavy duty gas range cleaner and degreaser. So this bottle is 12 fluid ounces. And as you can see, I have a gas range here and I have some stains here around the eye. So I am going to open this up. There's an off sign and an on sign on the nozzle here. So I turned it to on. So I'm going to spray this area. Since this is baked on, I am going to let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and I'll come back and show you guys the results. So it's been 30 minutes since I sprayed my stove with the Weiman's gas range cleaner and degreaser. I have a sponge here, so let's clean this stove. Okay, so here is my stove after I used the Weiman's. For the most part, it did clean around the eyes. I did have to scrub a little bit, and I still have some areas right here that I need to get off. So I'm going to have to use a hard bristle brush on this area here. But then here is the other eye. It did clean it pretty well. Now this eye, I need to do again. I just got a little tired of scrubbing, but yeah, overall I like the result. I wish that I could have gotten all of it off, but compared to how it looked before, I think it did a really good job.